Mabuhay ug madyaw everyone. I am Maricor Picabunilas and I am the second reporter of Lesson 9. So I am going to discuss the development of moral character and their importance. So our objective is at the end of the discussion, students will be able to first explain the development of moral character through the six stages of moral development. Second, describe the importance of having a strong moral character in making ethical decisions and building positive relations. Third, identify the qualities of a person with a strong moral character, such as honesty, responsibility, fairness, and respect. And lastly, apply moral character to everyday situations by choosing actions that reflect ethical values. So, what is moral character? Moral character refers to the values, qualities, and habits that influence how we behave, make decisions. So, ang kaning moral character no is nag-show siya as a person or kind of person nga ato ang gina-action, especially no nga mag-face tag mga consequences or ato ang mga choices between right and wrong. So the moral character also no is naga-include siya og first, the honesty is magtelling tag truth and not deceiving other people, no? So example ano is makabuhat ang mga mistakes, so we should admit that instead of blaming someone else. Second, responsibility, accepting true duties and consequences. So it means no nga expected na ta or unsa ato ang mga expected nga buhaton og i-accept na to mga consequences sa ato ang mga actions. For example no is magbuhat ng mga mistakes sa ato ang group project, and we should acknowledge it and try to fix it no instead of nga mukuanta. So fairness no is dapat mag-treat others equally. So dapat dili nato tagaan og unfair advantages sa mga tao. For example na is mag-work ta as a group. So everyone should have the fair opportunity para mag-participate ato, or dili dapat equal ang ato ang pag buhat or paglihok ato nga activities. So respect, valuing others no is the respect also means recognizing the worth and the feeling of other people, so we can show them the respect by listening to someone and or speaking and accepting the people that may have different opinions. So lastly no is the self-discipline. It means no nga makontrol nato tong mga action nato ato ang mga emotion and also mga desires nato nga kailangan ato adyong responsible jud ta ato nga choices no. For example is mag study ta, so instead of mag-spend tag time para sa mga gadgets or anything mga gadgets nga maka-distract sa ato, is dapat focus ta sa ato ang goal or mag-study ta. According to Lawrence Kohlberg, a psychologist known for his theory of moral development, no? So people's understanding of right and wrong develop through different stages as they grow and they gain their experience, no? So he proposed the six stages of moral development, in which is grouped into three levels, which are the pre-conventional, the conventional, and last is the post-conventional morality. So stage one is obedient and punishment. So doing what is right to avoid punishment. So this stage one is a person must be follow the rules, mainly tungod kay afraid sila nga ma-punishment, or for example no is ang student is dili siya mag-cheat kay tungod mahadlo siya sa teacher nga masakpan siya and ma-punish siya. So ang main concern and diri is avoiding punishment. The second stage is individualism and exchange. So, doing what benefits oneself or provide of mga reward. So, kaning stage is a person starts thinking about unsa ilahang magain through these actions. So, they may do something good because kanaga-expect sila og mga reward or ilahang mga personal belief. For example, no, if naay isa ka person mag-ingon nga, if tabangan taka tabangin pud ko, like yung anak god. So the stage 3 is the good interpersonal relationship. So doing what gains approval and maintains relationship. So kani nga stage is ang person is wants to be seen as a good person by their family, friends, or other people. So nagahimo sila og mga good choices because they want approval from that, or naga-maintain sila good relationship with this groups. So for example na is nagahelp siya sa iyang friend kay tungod naa siya mga supportive and good friend. So stage 4 is maintaining social order, no, is following rules and laws to maintain order. So kani nga fourth stage, no, is mao ni siya ang person nga nagasabot og mga rules and laws are important kay tungod nag-help siya para ma-maintain katong order sa society. For example, is naga-follow ta sa mga school rules is not only because hadlok ta sa punishment, because kasabot ta katong nga rules is naga-help siya para kani nga school is organized. Stage 5 is social contract and individual rights, recognizing rights and questioning unfair rules. So kani nga stage is mao ni ang mga persons or ang mga tao nga nagasabot sa mga rules, kay kani nga rules is nagaprotect siya mga people's rights and mga makabenefit pod siya sa society. So nagarecognize ni siya as a rule, or unfair ba siya or harmful ba ni siya. So it may need be kung kailangan ba ni siya i-change. For example, no, ang mga tao is naga-support sila for changing the policy kay naga-unfair siya treatment and to a certain group of people. So stage 6 is universal ethical principles, following principles such as justice, equality, and human dignity. So kaning as mga persons ni sila nga nagahimog decision based sa ilang mga principles kay like katong justice, equality, respect, or human dignity. Even doing the right thing is difficult or unpopular, so nagabuhat gina-follow gihapon nila kung unsa ilang ginatuuhan or morally right. So therefore, no, so according to Kohlberg, ang kaning moral development progresses from avoiding punishment and seeking personal rewards toward understanding social responsibilities, ang mga individual rights not to, and also ang universal ethical principles. So now, what does it mean to have strong moral character? So it means, no, is the consistency choosing to what is right based ato ang mga values and also ato ang mga principle, even our difficult when nobody is watching. So it is easy to do the right thing when people are watching us, but the strong character is shown when we still chooses the right thing, even when we could get away with doing something wrong. It helps us to, or the benefits of strong moral character are: first is we achieve peace of mind, feel secure knowing our actions are honorable. So kaning having a strong moral character, no, is nagahatag siya sa ato og peace of mind, kay kabulo man ta og that we are acting according to our values. So we have dili ta makafeel o guilty or mga constantly wrong about hiding something we did wrong. So for example, no, if we tell the truth about the mistake instead of lying about it, so we can feel more mga peace, or because kabulot ta nga honest ta. So second is the strengthen trust, become someone others can rely on. So strong moral character also strengthen trust. When we constantly show honesty, responsible people learn that they depend on us. So the trust is most important in the friendship, the families, the schools, and even the future workplace. So if your classmate know that you always do your part in group activities, they will trust you with the important task. So third is the build a solid reputation, gain a positive image through consistent good actions. So ato ang mga actions, no, is over time naga-create og mga reputation, no. So if mag constantly behave honesty juta or responsibly, so people will develop our positive impression of us. So ang good reputation ato is naga-create siya og mga opportunities kay tungod ang mga tao is ganahan sila og naga-trust sila ato, and gina-recommend to nila ang katong nga person with the good character, no. So for instance, no, is ang students is known siya for being responsible. So mapilian jud siya dito as a grupo or atong group task kay tungod ang iyang mga classmate o iyang mga teachers is nagatrust sa iyaha. So for reduce anxiety, so nag-avoid siya mga stress of hiding mistake or making excuses. So having a strong moral character no kay nagauso siya naga nagre-reduce po siya anxiety kay tungod dili na to kailangan nga i-hide o ato ang mga action naga-create or excuses or keeping our stories. So we are the honest, take responsibility of that mistake so we can deal with the problems directly. So instance no is if we make mistake in an assignment, so gi-admit na to sa atong teacher is better than making up any complicated excuse to hide it. Lastly, increase leadership effectiveness, earn respect and cooperation from others. So, kaning moral character makes a person more effective leader. So, ang mga tao are willing to listen and cooperate with these leaders whom they trust and respect. So, kaning leader is doesn't need a rely only on authority or force when people genuinely believe in their character. So, for instance, no, so a group of leaders who listen to everyone, treats members fairly, and take responsibility for mistakes is more likely to gain the cooperation of the whole group. So to conclude this discussion, having a good moral character help us to become a better people and better person. So we can make better choices. So it teaches us to be honest, responsible, respectful, and do the right thing even when no one is watching us. So, and that's all. Thank you for listening, everyone.